Imagine a fashion runway in the near future. Models glide down the catwalk, but their clothing does more than just look amazing. One dress glows with pulsing light, shifting colors in time to the music. Another outfit displays animated patterns that respond to the model's heartbeat. The audience gasps as sleeves extend or shrink, and jackets change texture with a wave of the hand. This is not science fiction, it's the future of wearable fashion, powered by 3D printed organic electronics. Now think about your own closet. Today, your clothes keep you warm or cool and help show your style. But what if your shirt could monitor your health or your jacket could charge your phone? Smart clothing is making this possible. These new outfits can sense, react, and even communicate thanks to technology woven right inside the fabric. The magic behind these garments is a mix of soft electronics and advanced manufacturing. Designers are no longer limited to plain fabrics or simple electronics. They can now create clothing that is interactive, beautiful, and even helpful. This blend of fashion and technology is changing what we expect from the clothes we wear every day. As we step into this new era, let's explore how 3D printed organic electronics are making smart clothing a reality. From the science behind the materials to the way they are made and the challenges we still need to solve. This revolution is reshaping both fashion and the future. So, what are organic electronics? Unlike the hard, rigid circuits in your phone or laptop, organic electronics are made from carbon-based materials. These materials are flexible, lightweight, and can even stretch. Think of them as electronic inks or plastics that can carry electricity just like metal wires. But they feel soft, almost like fabric. Traditional electronics use metals like copper and silicon. These are strong, but they break if you bend them. Organic electronics use molecules called polymers and small organic compounds. These can be printed or woven into thin, bendable layers. Because they are so flexible, they can fit into clothing without making it stiff or uncomfortable. Another big advantage is that organic electronics can be made to interact with light, heat, or pressure. Some can even sense chemicals or stretch without losing their function. This makes them perfect for wearable technology, where comfort and movement are key. In simple terms, organic electronics bring together the best of two worlds, the softness of fabric and the power of modern technology. They let designers create clothes that are not just smart, but also feel good to wear. 3D printing has changed the way we make things. Instead of cutting and sewing, 3D printers can draw layers of material to build up objects. When it comes to smart clothing, 3D printing lets designers add electronic circuits directly onto fabrics. This is a big breakthrough. With 3D printed organic electronics, the printer lays down thin layers of conductive ink or flexible plastic right where it's needed. It can print sensors, wires, and even tiny batteries onto a piece of cloth. The result is a fabric that looks and feels normal, but is packed with hidden technology. No bulky buttons or stiff panels, just soft, wearable electronics. This method is also fast and customizable. Need a shirt that tracks your temperature? Or a hat that lights up when you get a text? The design can be changed on a computer, and the 3D printer makes it real in hours. This opens up new possibilities for personal style and function. Perhaps most exciting, 3D printing can combine different materials in the same garment. Some parts can be stretchy, others strong, and still others electronic. It's a true mix of fashion and engineering, all in one piece of clothing. Smart clothing is already showing up in the real world. Some shirts have sensors that check your heart rate and send the data to your phone. Others can track your breathing, steps, or body temperature. This is great for athletes who want to improve their performance or for people who need to watch their health. Hospitals are even testing smart pajamas for patients. These can alert nurses if someone's heartbeat is too fast or if they have a fever. Some socks can check for changes in pressure, which is helpful for people with diabetes to avoid foot injuries. There are also smart gloves that help people recover from injuries. They track how well fingers move and send the information to doctors. This makes it easier to follow recovery and spot problems early. As more organic electronics are printed into clothing, the possibilities grow. Imagine a hat that warns you if you're getting sunburned, or a scarf that checks the air quality around you. These are not just ideas, they are being tested right now. Wearable technology is not just about health, it's also about fun and style. Some new fabrics can change color with the touch of a button. Imagine a dress that goes from green to pink in seconds, or a jacket that glows softly in the dark. These effects are possible thanks to flexible LEDs and special organic materials printed into the fabric. Other garments can display words, images, or animations. For example, a shirt could show your favorite emoji, or a message that scrolls across your sleeve. Some clothes can even react to music or your mood, lighting up or shifting patterns as you move. Designers are also making interactive outfits for performances and events. Dancers wear suits that sparkle and pulse with each step. Musicians wear jackets that flash in time with their songs. Everyday people are starting to wear these features too, turning sidewalks into mini runways. These playful, interactive clothes make fashion more personal and expressive. With three-dimensional printed organic electronics, the only limit is your imagination. One challenge for smart clothing is power. Batteries are heavy and can make clothes uncomfortable. But new research is finding ways to power smart clothes with energy from your own body or movement. Some fabrics can generate electricity when you walk, run, or even just move your arms. There are shirts with tiny energy harvesters that pick up power from your steps. Others use special materials that turn body heat into energy. This means your smart clothes could charge themselves as you go about your day. No plugs or charging cables needed. Some researchers are even testing solar panels that are soft and flexible. These can be printed right onto hats or jackets. When you go outside, the sun powers your devices without you noticing. Self-powered wearables are still new, but they could solve one of the biggest problems in smart fashion. Soon your clothes might help charge your phone or keep you safe, all using energy you make just by living your life. Even with all these exciting advances, there are still problems to solve. Washing smart clothes is tricky. Water can damage the electronics, and bending or stretching can break tiny circuits. Designers are working on coatings and new materials to make these clothes tough enough for everyday use. Comfort is another challenge. Some people worry that printed electronics might feel strange or make clothes heavier. But as materials get softer and lighter, this is improving. Privacy is also a big issue. Smart clothes collect data about your health and movement. Keeping this information safe and private is very important. Finally, there's the question of cost. Right now, smart clothing can be expensive. As three-dimensional printing technology gets faster and cheaper, these prices should come down. More people will be able to enjoy the benefits of wearable tech. In the end, the future of fashion is bright, interactive, and full of possibility. With each new breakthrough, three-dimensional printed organic electronics bring us closer to clothes that are as smart as they are stylish. The next time you get dressed, imagine what your clothes could do in the years to come.